Speaking of chargers and the controversial iPhone story about no charger shipping in the box, apparently in the absence of a charger coming with your next generation iPhone 12, instead of getting the usual package, you're going to get an upgrade on your cable. Little cable upgrade, Will.
Okay. Well, they have that.
So the only other thing supposedly is going to be in the box with the iPhone 12 is this singular cable. This is a USB Type-C to Lightning cable. They're not making a full transition to Type-C. And apparently it's a bit of an upgrade with the braided styling. Now, Apple has never shipped a braided cable with its mobile devices. The only braided cable, you would know this, Will, comes with the Thunderbolt cable, the high-end one for those, what are those displays? What do they even call those displays?
What?
Those 6K, those fancy displays. They got a name for it?
8XDR?
There you go. Look at you. I actually didn't have that. I wasn't playing around there.
Okay.
I couldn't remember the name of it. Yeah. Pro Display XDR. Anyways, so yeah, they're taking your power brick from you, but they may upgrade your cable. Now, what's weird here, though, Will, is that this thing terminates. It's lightning on one side, which everybody expected, but it terminates in a USB Type-C style connector. Here's a problem. Very few people actually have the Type-C connector with their iPhone. It would only be from the previous generation or maybe an iPhone or an iPad Pro buyer that might have the Type-C connector on their pre-existing charger. There's way more people out there with the traditional or the typical USB Type-A port on their charger. So this whole environmental status, saving the world from e-waste story might not map out the way that Apple's going to pitch it. Because the truth of the matter is, if you have one of these 5-watt chargers, that thing's useless to you with this particular cable. Now, granted, you have your old cable still, but you want to use this nice new braided, you got this nice new cable in the box. So there's a little extra incentive to upgrade your power brick and, of course, pay Apple more money and buy another box from them, which the environment doesn't like boxes either, does it? No. So anyway, I understand the motivation on Apple's end to try to create a path towards this thing, but maybe the real solution is creating drop-down menus when you order the thing, depending on what your scenario is going to be. So you could say, you could pick your cable, pick your charger. Maybe it's almost like how you spec out a computer when you're on the Apple website. Maybe that's a way to do it.
Or like Chipotle.
It's like Chipotle.
Yeah.
Although, didn't we have a problem the other day with wasn't it Kirk talking about the extra guac cost? It was very upsetting to him.
Yeah, they asked you.
Yeah, well, I don't know. I don't know what they're doing over there. I haven't been to Chipotle in forever, so I guess it would be more of a DoorDash, Uber Eats situation right now. A lot of Chipotle orders. Yeah.